Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do like a K-pop inspired makeup look, and I'm going to show you like how I do it and like just the way I do my makeup. And it's usually like a K-pop like all saying like inspired, like so talk to you and tell you like what products I use and like how I do it. So I already primed my face with the Clarins V-Shaping Facial Lift. So I use this to prime my face, so then like it helps like tighten like my pores and stuff like that. And then so I'm gonna now go on with foundation, and I'm going to use the Shiseido foundation. So I have the Shiseido foundation, and this is the Synchro Self Refreshing Oil-Free Foundation by Shiseido. Okay, some Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops, because I need to darken the shade because now it's the summer and like now I'm tanner than usual. Sometimes it's, sorry. Don't mind if you hear anything in the background, it's just like my family and like neighbors maybe, I don't know. So right now I'm just doing my foundation, and I like to listen to music while I do my makeup. Oh, and I also have my nose piercing on, so yeah, it's kind of difficult to do around my nose sometimes. So, like, now that I did my foundation, this is kind of like a sheer to medium coverage. Honestly, it's more sheer because I put less on, because I don't have that many breakouts right now. So now I'm going to color correct, and this is like very important if you want to cover like your mustache area. So I'm going to use this brush. It's kind of like a packing concealer brush, and I'm going to use like a peachy orange color. I honestly learned this trick from Nikita Dragon. Like, she's so amazing. I love her. My name is the line on, so sometimes it's kind of hard to talk. So now I'm gonna let that settle in. Yeah, I don't think I really see that much of like a mustache dark shadow on my chin, but let me color correct my chin as well. So now, like, just, you don't like put your foundation on top exactly right after, so you just give it a while. So now I'm going to work on like my bronzer and contour. So I'm gonna take Hoola, trying to be a beauty guru. Honestly, I'm not a beauty guru, but like I love makeup. So I'm gonna bronze up like in a 3. And usually for like the K-pop look, they kind of like to be lighter and stuff like that in the shade, and like, but usually they don't match like their neck. But like right now it's the summer, and like this is just K-pop inspired. So around the edges, and don't go too heavy because you can always build on. Now time to, like, I like to do my brows down. I'm gonna use a smaller mirror. And this is the Benefit, this actually was, I believe it was in collaboration with DESI PERKINS, and this is in the shade 3.5 in the Precisely My Brow. Oh yeah, and also prepare the lips so you don't like want dry, chappy lips before you put on your lipstick or like your lip tint. This is the Milk Makeup Push Lip Glaze, and I believe it's in the clear color, or like no color. I got it during the Sephora VIP Rouge sale, so worth it. Honestly, it's so amazing. So, and now I like to highlight my nose. So I'm going in with this Fenty brush and this Hourglass Incandescent Strobe Light. I'll be sure to link all my products down below, except for the brushes, because honestly, sometimes I get like these brushes mixed up, but I'll link the products. So now I'm going to fix up like the mustache area. Honestly, I have like this acne scar over here and it's kind of dark, so I'm just gonna cover that up too. And also like on the under eye. Time to contour my nose. I love this part. Like honestly, contouring the nose is so good. Like I love doing it. And right now, and I'm not gonna do the button up, which like a lot of people do, but yeah, so, and then blend down on the sides. And also, I'm gonna put it underneath my brows. A blush by MAC Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Blush Please. I honestly love this shade. Like I got it at the MAC counter, and it's so amazing, and I don't regret it. And like they're so inexpensive, it's like $30 something. I think they're like $33 plus tax. Now you want to put it close to your eye, like your under eye area, because like that's like the K-pop inspired look. And like I know a lot of people say like it's from Doja Cat, but like honestly this came from like K-pop and like I think like Japanese makeup. I'm gonna set my brows. Did I bring my brow setter? Oh yeah, it's right here. This is the Benefit Brow Setter. Sometimes I feel like setting the brows doesn't do anything if you have like fabric concealer. You're right there. Brush. This NARS brush is so good. Now like bam, this highlight from Hourglass is so amazing. Okay, time for eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow, I'm first going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Walk of Shame Luxury Colored Eyeshadow Palette. I got it from Charlotte Tilbury. I think I got it on their website. So now I'm going to like blend it out. So first I'm gonna go in with like a packer brush. Like this one. This one's from Morphe. It doesn't really have like a number, it just says Morphe. And like K-pop, they love like the whole blushy vibe. So I'm gonna go in with like this dark. More like darker in the corner. Don't worry, I'm gonna blend this up, and you wanna go like a droopy look. You don't wanna like go catty. Okay. Sorry that I love a branding brush. So when you blend out, you don't wanna be close up with a mirror. You wanna look like on a bigger mirror. Like drier products. Like this foundation is made for like literally music stop. I need to play a song. So I'm going in with a little, because honestly the K-pop like all sang, they love like a glowy vibe. Oh, and like honestly, I love Mercier transition powder. It's so amazing. But like sometimes it's so hard to get out. Okay, so now Now I have to go in with mascara. And they look like a sheer tint. Dior. This is the Dior. What is it? Rouge Dior Ultra Rouge 863. So now I have to go in, like, I got mascara on. Okay, and now to like deepen up the color, I'm using the YSL Volupte Plump or something. I'll link it down below, but it's kind of like it tingles a bit. And this is, I believe, in like kind of like a reddish orange shade. Oh my god, I love this. I forgot how much I love this. Like, this is so amazing. Like, I haven't been putting on a lot of makeup lately. And you kind of want to do like overline your lips a little bit with your finger. So now that you have this look, let me just wipe my hand real quick. And I hate wasting wipes, so like I love to use like the wipe for the longest time when I'm doing my makeup, because honestly I feel like it can get so messy and like you're gonna have to just cleaning up the edges. Now time to go in with this brush again and clean up the edges. And honestly, I think that's like the final look. I'm going to go and put on some double eyelid tape to fix to make like my eyes look more equal and balanced, because honestly like that's the problem that I have sometimes when I don't sleep enough. Okay, so I'm back and I just like kind of like made my eyes more balanced with tape on one side. I use like a double eyelid tape. It's like sticking on both sides, but yeah. So now I think it looks better, and like I honestly noticed that like my eyebrows kind of look like ashy or like powdery. So I'm just gonna, oh yeah, I have to set my face, which will make everything look better. So now, time to set my face. This is the Matrix Plus. Oh, I should take off my ear pods. I mean AirPods, whatever. So now that I sprayed that, and I gotta fix like my under eye for a second. You just take a little bit of like this mascara to darken, because like honestly I think like my eyebrows look a little bit ash.